I'm Frank Wöffering. I'm the Director of Sustainability at GPI and one of many people involved in the new Complete Streets group. GPI just formed a Complete Streets group. This is a group that brings together colleagues from several disciplines and different markets. That's very important for us. We create synergies across our offices, get new ideas, new perspectives. Complete Streets is important for several reasons. Road safety is the number one. Economic development, possibly downtown revitalization is another. Active transportation is very important. Walking, cycling, making that possible on our streets. Critical aspect in our work in the Complete Streets group is community engagement. And one way of engaging the community is visualizations and animations. It's a new way of planning and designing streets. Our Complete Streets group just got together in Boston for our first meeting, which was a great meeting. We want to work together across branches, offices, and change communities for the better, one project at a time.